Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 19, 2024. 2-star Sudoku. Sixth row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I, fifth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row and fifth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then sixth row, only one numbers remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 7 and 2. Column G, we have 6 and 8, 7. The 3 number can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then sixth grade, only one numbers remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Seventh row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 7. Column H, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then sixth grade, only one numbers remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 8, 9, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. First row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 8, 9, 5. First row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only one numbers remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 8, 9, 1, 7. 8th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, only one number remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B and 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. 4th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 1st grade and 1st row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B and 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, column F, we have 6. Third row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column D, we have 2. Second row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. Column D, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th grade and 7th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second grade and second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th grade and column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.